So trying to jumpstart a 22 Corvette and the hood will not open. The battery's completely dead. We're trying to open the vehicle with the key fob, but the battery's too dead. So we're gonna remove the key from the key cylinder by pushing this button and pulling on the key. And you can take the key and go over here underneath. And there's gonna be a key cylinder in there that you could turn to open the door. Okay, if you have a bunch of key things on your keychain, go ahead and take it off. So you just have this, and then stick it in here. And turn it. And that'll open our door. There we go. Access to the inside of the vehicle. So now you're gonna need to go down here and pull the little cable over here to pop the front trunk. If we can find it. Should be a little loop or something over here. So see that little loop right there? We're gonna pull that little loop twice. All right. Get in there. Oh, it's so far away. There we go. And now we got the hood popped. Okay, we'll go ahead and put our key back in our key fob, like that. Okay, now that we got the hood popped, we can go ahead and access the battery and jump start it. So now we're just gonna remove the battery cover here at the top. What's that? Yeah, if you could, yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
You can crop it and...
Yeah, no, I'll edit it later for sure. These have to come out first, and then that'll come up. We can get access to the battery here and finally jump start it. But everybody's excited to finally find the battery. Okay, so this box will also show our voltage output. We can see we only have 4 volts. We need to have 12 to have a good battery, so it's definitely a dead battery situation. We'll turn this on and it should jump up to like 11.9 or 12, and then we can start the vehicle. Alright, there we go. It's alive. Alright, so now we can check the alternator output and see that the alternator is charging properly at 13.5 to 14 volts like it should be. Turn the box off, disconnect the cables, and we'll put all our plastic pieces back. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.